Let's start with this brilliantly designed bunk bed unit that takes multifunctionality to the next level, offering a seamless blend of sleeping, storage, and workspace solutions. A side cabinet slides out smoothly, revealing a hidden closet perfect for organizing clothes. A cleverly integrated staircase leads to the top bunk, which includes storage space at the head of the bed for added convenience. The staircase itself also features additional storage compartments. The center section is equipped with cabinets and shelves, providing ample space to store various items. A pull-out desk emerges effortlessly, creating a functional workspace, and just below it, another pull-out bed is tucked away, ready to accommodate guests. But the innovation doesn't stop there. From the same company comes another game changer, a system of movable walls that transforms the living room into a study room in an instant. This dynamic setup not only redefines how space is used, but also incorporates a horizontal wall bed, seamlessly hidden until needed. With a simple motion, the bed folds down, adding a comfortable sleeping option to the mix. And there's even more. Also from this innovative company comes a cleverly designed folding table and armchair set. At first glance, these pieces appear to resemble a deck of oversized playing cards. However, with a quick and simple motion, they unfold into a fully functional table and sturdy armchairs. These designs showcase an impressive blend of practicality and creativity, offering solutions that elevate modern living to an entirely new level. Imagine having extra seating right when you need it, and easily storing it away when you don't. This innovative bench, crafted from durable paper, is the perfect solution for those who need extra seating but don't want to invest in another bulky sofa. It's foldable, surprisingly comfortable with disc-like cushions, and incredibly strong, supporting up to 300 kilograms. Plus, it offers versatile seating options, making it ideal for offices, lobby areas, or events where extra seats are a must. But that's not all. IHpaper also designs stools that fold down to the size of a large book. These stools come with a soft cushion for comfort and are sturdy enough to stand on. Next up, let's talk about the split nest sofa from Expand Furniture, an incredibly versatile addition to any home. This sofa wraps you in plush coziness, but here's the twist. With a quick flip, it transforms into two low-profile open couches, perfect for entertaining guests. Feeling like a lazy movie night? Just flip it open to create a spacious king lounger where you can fully unwind. Need a spot for late-night guests? No problem. It effortlessly adapts to a comfortable sleeping space. From the same company, here's another innovative sofa bed design, the Harmony Queen Sofa. This modern marvel redefines sofa beds with its environmentally friendly memory foam seat that effortlessly unfolds into a queen-size mattress, making the most of your living space. The medium feel mattress, crafted with layers of high-density foam and soft memory foam, ensures excellent support and comfort. No awkward bars, lumpy coils, or uneven surfaces to worry about. Plus, the backrest offers 4 adjustable angles, allowing you to find your ideal position. Whether you're lounging to watch a movie or simply relaxing, the Harmony Queen Sofa adapts perfectly to your needs. For the kitchen, check out this super versatile storage system. The kitchen tower is a game changer for keeping your cooking essentials organized. With its smart design, it glides out automatically when you open the door, giving you a clear view and easy access from 3 sides. Another innovative solution from the same company is the Extendo, a flexible pull-out shelf that adapts perfectly to various storage needs. With its sleek design, Extendo provides a clear overview and easy access to items stored at the front of the unit. Still with the kitchen, here are other brilliant space-saving solutions. A hidden motorized drop-down cabinet that can be effortlessly controlled with a remote, keeping your countertops clutter-free. Next, there's the Swingout Countertop that pivots from beneath your existing countertop. It provides extra space when needed and disappears when you don't. A perfect solution for smaller kitchens. Additionally, an adjustable kitchen side table offers smooth movement and easy height adjustments. Lastly, the electric drop-down hidden cupboard is another fantastic feature. Camilo Calle brings innovation and elegance together with his ingenious designs. First up is a bench that's not only sleek and stylish, but also perfect for compact spaces where every inch matters. Also from this talented designer, we have a DIY swivel table that's perfect for maximizing small spaces like workrooms, children's rooms, kitchens, or dining areas. With its hidden chairs that slide out effortlessly when needed, this table is the ultimate space-saving solution, blending style with unmatched functionality. Next up, let's take a look at the magic desk from mid-century Friends, a true gem from the 1960s. Crafted with a stunning walnut veneer, this desk features 2 doors and a single shelf. What makes this piece stand out is its clever design. Thanks to the rounded edge of the tabletop, it can be placed snugly against a wall. Next up, this wall-mounted dining table is a brilliant solution for anyone short on space, but wanting a dedicated dining area. Back to the kitchen. Check out the lunch reverse pull-out table, a practical system that allows a peninsula table to be extracted from a simple drawer compartment. Here's another clever invention, the Oplatop, designed by the same Italian company Atim. The Oplatop system enables you to quickly add an extra worktop to your furniture by pulling it out from beneath the cabinet top. Next up, meet the Cloud9 Sofa. At first glance, it's a showstopper, but what makes it truly incredible is its foldable design. In just seconds, it transforms from a cozy, 3-dimensional sofa into a slim, 2-dimensional shape and back again. This makes it super easy to tuck away when you don't need extra seating. Next up, check out this ingenious transforming office, a space-saving marvel that turns a full workspace into a sleek, minimalistic setup. The unit is cleverly designed with a chair that slides perfectly between 2 drawers and a filing cabinet, keeping everything tidy and organized. Next up, here's a sofa like no other. With its remote-controlled partitions, you can easily adjust the layout to suit different seating needs and occasions. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a cozy movie night, this sofa allows you to divide the space or stretch out for ultimate comfort. Next up, check out this stunning bed. At first glance, it looks like it's floating, but in reality, it's supported by a solid, reinforced wooden frame hidden beneath. This clever design not only gives the bed a sleek, modern look, but also creates extra storage space underneath. For even more convenience, you can attach trays and boxes to the headboard and sides of the frame, keeping everything you need within arm's reach while you relax in bed. And lastly, check out these interesting bathroom sinks like you've never seen before. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.